What is everyone? This is Motorola here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this site can't be reached in Google Chrome. So let's get around to this. So if you're getting this error, there's two ways to fix this. The first easy thing that you can do is to go to your search bar and type in network reset. And then in here, just do reset now. This is basically going to remove and reinstall all your network adapters, get rid of VPN settings and anything else that you may have done or a software may have done on your computer. Now, if this doesn't fix it, the next thing to do is go to your search bar again and write network connections until you see this pop up. In here, right click into either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're connected into. I'm connected via Ethernet. Then go to properties. In here, click into Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Click into properties, go here and change it from automatic into use the following DNS server addresses and change it to 1.1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Press OK, restart your computer, turn on Chrome now. You should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up. Try to make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Motorola out. Peace.